What's the meaning of ambulance worker? Ambulance worker. Ambulance worker. Ambulance worker. Ambulance worker. Ambulance worker.
An ambulance worker is a medical professional who works in emergency medical services and is responsible for providing medical care to patients in need. They typically work in ambulances, responding to emergency calls and providing initial medical treatment to patients before transporting them to hospitals or other medical facilities for further treatment. These workers may include emergency medical technicians, EMTs, paramedics, and other healthcare professionals. Their primary goal is to provide urgent medical care to patients in need and help transport them to the appropriate medical facility for further evaluation and treatment.